First little fishy. We're back over where we were the other day, soft baiting. Got rain this time, joined in with the wind. We had a lot of fun out here, so we thought we'd come back, have another play around in the wind and rain. A nice fish, eh? Oh, woo! First fish of the morning. And she's a goodie. On the solar flare. They're loving that solar flare. Welcome to Real Kiwi Fishing. This week, Steve-O and I, we're back out in the bay. We were here the other day. We had a strong easterly and we've got that again today. We've got rain with us this time, so we thought we'd come back. We had a lot of fun on the softies the other day, so we thought we'd come back and see if we can have a bit more fun on some more snaps in the bay on the softies. Hope you guys enjoy. So pretty much in a similar area. We were a little bit further over that way, but we thought we'd try somewhere a little bit different. Pretty much doing the same thing, casting downwind, drifting that way. Just going to work back towards the boat as we drift towards where we casted. Rain is meant to stop for us in about half an hour or an hour supposedly. Has sort of died away a bit. Just drifting in basically from 6 meters, doing that long drift again like last time. Few hundred meters out to about 10 meters, and then we'll motor back up into that 6 meters, start the drift again. Actually got some new jig heads, VMC jig heads, so we've got those today, 1/2 ounce 5-bar running the 5-inch solar flare. Perfect combo. Oh, yeah. A little snappy on the solar flare. It's pretty quiet, a lot quieter than last time. Another nice little eater though. There you go. New VMC. And the solar flare. Another little snappy. Another little goodie. Right at the boat. Yeah, they're flaring it up. Another goodie, eh? Little snap happy. Just a little fella, around 45, little 45er. Little fatty. Go. Another nice little fatty. Let him go, that one. A little bit smaller. Nice eater though. Steve reckons I'm catching them because of the solar flare. And I could agree actually. It's been pretty good. It's fast become my favourite, Stephen. Do you want to try one? Hmm? Yeah. See if it'll bring you luck.
If it's just me or the...
No, it's just you, man. Okay. And you know this, man. Okay, guys, I'm going to change over. New Crush City bombshell. We'll try that. Steve-O's going to try the solar flare. Just to make sure he's not tapu. Okay, guys. Bombshell. Bombs away. Oh. Whew. Hit straight away, Stephen. Okay guys, I think we're going to do one more drift or move up back into about 6 meters. Steve-O's discouraged, he hasn't caught anything, so he wants to give up on the soft baiting. Might go and do a surf cast or something, or fish off the rocks maybe. Got a new spot we want to go and try off the beach along here, along the peninsula, or we're going to go back and have a fish off the front of Puiki maybe, off the rocks. We always come up here and say we'll do that and we never do, so we'll see. We'll do one more drift, see what happens. See if we can get Steve-O onto a fish at least. Just one. Still on the bombshell. Bombs away. Okay guys, it's gone pretty dead. Just getting nothing. We've done about 4 drifts and there's just nothing, so I think it's close to dead low as well, so it could be just a dead tide, and they might come back on the bite when the tide turns. But I think what we're going to do, the wind's picked up a little bit more, head back. We're going to get back around the corner into the entrance there, and we might do a bait and burley bash there. We'll have a look. If not, we're thinking about doing a surf cast or maybe a fish off the rocks somewhere down there. We'll see how we go. You gonna go home? For more sleep, isn't 10 hours enough for you? Didn't sound like it with your snoring. Sounded like Predator again. That's all I could hear. Okay guys, we've come back in the entrance, dropped the burley. Just going to try a couple of baits here, see if we can pick up a few more snap for the bin. Yeah, we're on our first fish. Just dropped the burley. It's been about half an hour, first bite really. Normally takes a while. But we'll see if we can pick up a couple more fish for the bin. Ooh, he's only just lip hooked, Steve-O. Need the net, need the net. Ooh. There you go. Another goodie for the bin to add to our soft bait mixture. I think we only ended up with about 3 or 4 on the softies. There's just a couple more before we head in. Maybe go for a surf cast, Savo. Yeah, I think that's our 3rd one, maybe in the bin, 3rd or 4th. So we'll just see if we can pick up a few more here, and then we'll see what happens, Savo. Maybe Steve-O can pick up a fish here at least get one for the day. Got to start contributing, boy. Yeah. Yeah, on the way down. You still fishing with that big heavy sinker? Another binny, I think. It's in his nose, Steve-o. It's getting a bit nosy. Nosy Parker. There you go, guys, another nice fish. Another fatty. That was pretty quick. Bang bang, Lucky Luke. Got the old bait feeder this time. Seema 4000. Nice little reels. It's been a bit slow today for us. Slow on the softies. Let's just hope there's a few more fish turn up for us in this Burley trail. Oh, 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 yeah, boy. The old fun combo. Just getting a bit quiet down there, and I thought maybe they're waiting for the fun combo. Yeah. Looks like Mr. Trevally. It's Mr. Trevally. Hey, Mr. Trevally. Bit of a longie. Nice little Trevally. Yeah. That's what they're waiting for, eh? Woohoo! Might need to put that heavier sinker on. Or the tide's coming in and it's picked up. I'm using that.
You just said take it off.
This is about half an hour ago. And there wasn't much current. Got to fish to the conditions, Stephen. Can't just fish one rig all day. Hooked up, Steve-O. Yeah. Feels like another Trevy Webby. Oh, Trevmeister. Another little Trevy, guys. Silver Trev. How's that? Woohoo! Okay guys, I think we're pretty much going to call it. It's gone pretty quiet, dead here as well. Got 2 or 3 in the bin, and that Trev I let go. So yeah, pretty quiet this morning for us. But yeah, we'll see if we're thinking of going back, having some lunch, maybe have a rest, and then wander down for a surf cast maybe. So if we yeah, get out for a surf cast, we'll get you back out.